He's Marty the Martian, he's curious and everywhere, discovering and learning new things every day. He's Marty, he's Marty, he's Marty.
Sammy, look at this fun dog wash. Hey, my friend Aurora has a dog. Let's go help her wash her puppy.
I'm gonna wash my pup. We're washing your dog.
While Aurora's washing her dog, I'm gonna get her car all dirty.
Alrighty, friends. So it looks like we have to put money in so we can start the dog wash. Okay, ready? Alright, we put our money in. First, we gotta get the dog wet. So what do we push? We push the blue button for rinse. Good job. Alright, now it's time for shampoo. Shampoo will help to get the dog nice and clean and smelling good. Ah! The puppy got me! It shook all its water off and it got me all wet. Ah!
Let's get him with pink balloons now. Now I'm gonna get him with yellow balloons. Oh, I'm gonna get it with the green balloons now.
Okay, time to rinse off all the shampoo. Let's hit our blue rinse button again.
You're back now. You don't like washing.
Okay, time for some purple bombs. Whoa, did you see that one? Ha! They'll never wash that off. Okay, now let's do some orange and really get that car messy. That was a big one! They'll never clean it off.
Alrighty, I think it's time to dry the puppy now, don't you think? Oh, we gotta push the dryer. Ready? Whoa, that dryer's really loud.
Let's throw blue at them. Here we go. Oh! Yes! Now their car is all dirty. Here they come.
Now my puppy's nice and cool.
Oh, puppy's nice and dry.
Now you can get down now. Come on.
Thanks, friends, for helping us wash Aurora's puppy dog. Oh no, what happened to our car? It's so messy.
Hey Marty, let's go wash our car.
Sammy, this car is so dirty. Come on, Aurora, let's go wash it off. Beep beep. Hi, Mr. Car Wash. I need to clean my car.
Greetings, welcome to the car wash. Please select wash.
Whoa! What are my options?
Would you like the deluxe wash?
That sounds so fun. Sammy, let's do that one, friends. Yes, deluxe it is.
Confirming. That'll be $8.
Marty, let's wash our car.
All right, here we go. Aurora, we gotta put in our money. All right, are we ready to go, Mr. Car Wash?
All clear. Please pull ahead.
Yeah, here we go. I'm driving.
Here comes the washing. Whoa. You guys see this? It's hitting my head. Whoa, that's cool. And we have one more time.
Yep, we're gonna do it again. It's still coming back because the car's still dirty. Wow, it's cleaning our car with all this soap. Oh, here it comes. Oh, it's rinsing it off.
Ugh. What? They're not. What? Ah! They cleaned it. No!
Time to go dry it off.
My plan didn't work. No! Next time I'll get you guys.
Those are some really powerful dryers. Look it up. Look at these fun colors. We have green and red. Green means go. Do you guys know what red means? It means stop. So we have green means go and red means stop. Sammy, look how big this scrubber is. Ooh, feels like they're rubber. What color are the scrubbers, friends? You guys are so smart, they're blue. Do you guys know what scrubbers are used for? They're used to scrub all the dirt off your cars. Zoe, these are big blow dryers. Look at them. Let's count them, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 big dryers. Okay, so this must help the car dry really fast. Zoe, look at that big one up there. That'll get the top of the car. I'm so glad our car's all clean. That was so much fun. Whoa! What was that? Those sound like go-karts. Do you guys want to come with us to race them? Click here to join us on our next adventure and let's go ride some go-karts. See you guys there.